Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti NURASSYKIN binti Eslany. I am from class 3E.
Hi, my name is SYAHHAKIM bin SAINI. I'm from 3E.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is MUALLIF bin AZIZ and I'm from class AP1143E.
We are from group 2. Today, we would like to present slide about firefighting active system. Active fire protection. So what is active fire protection? Active fire protection, AFP, is a group of systems that requires some amount of action or motion in order to work efficiently in the event of the fire. Action may be manually operated like a fire extinguisher or automatic like a sprinkler, but either way, they require some amount of action. It includes things like a fire sprinklers, extinguishers, alarm, and suspicious system. These are put in place to quickly detect and respond to fires, ensuring the safety of people and minimizing damage. It's all about actively combating fires to keep everyone safe. Portable fire extinguisher. First is color-added cylinder containing compressed liquid and gases appropriate to various sources of fire. They have standard firefighting equipment in all commercial and public buildings. The objective is to remove or sufficiently reduce at least one element of the fire triangle discussed previously. A portable fire extinguisher must contain type of fire extinguisher agent suitable for fire it is required to extinguish. It is identified by color coding for its intended purpose. From this fire extinguisher chart, we will be alert for which extinguisher label or code that should be used in case on fire. The portable extinguisher that available is soda acid water fire extinguisher, foam fire extinguisher, and carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Firstly is soda acid water fire extinguisher. It has a small glass container of sulfuric acid. It is released into the water cylinder when a knob is struck. The acid mixed with the water, which contain carbonate of soda, to create a chemical reaction producing carbon dioxide gas. The gas pressurizes the cylinder to displace water from the nozzle. Next is foam fire extinguisher. Foam is formed by chemical reaction between sodium bicarbonate and aluminum sulfate dissolved in water in the presence of foaming agent. When the extinguisher is inverted, the chemicals are mixed to create foam under pressure, which is forced out of the nozzle. Carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide is pressurized as a liquid inside a cylinder. Shrinking a knob at the top of the cylinder presses a disc to release the carbon dioxide. It then converts to a gas as it depressurizes through the extinguisher nozzle. In this case study, we choose SITI Mall to study about firefighting active system. SITI Mall used a dry powder and carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Dry powder extinguisher, this is a powder-based agent extinguisher. It prevents the chemical reaction between fuel, heat, and oxygen. Therefore, it is suitable for mixed fire risk environment, especially flammable liquid, flammable gases involving natural gases, hydrogen, oil, and etc. Carbon dioxide extinguisher. This contains agents displace carbon dioxide, remove heat from the combustion zone. It is suitable for class B, C, and E involving flammable liquid, gases, and electrical hazard. Next is hose reels. There are three types of hose reel. First is fixed manual, second is swinging manual, and third is recessed manual hose reels. For the water supply, water can be supplied directly from the mains if the supply to the highest reel can be 2000 kPa and also supply sufficient discharge. If the supply cannot be supplied from the main automatic pumping equipment, will have to be installed. For the operation, the hose reel should be able to discharge 0.4 liter per second at a distance 6 meter from the end of the nozzle. If a suction tank is required, it should hold a minimum volume of 1.6 meter cube water. This is a layout of hose reel system and the picture of hose reel system that located in Circle City Mall. Hose reel in Circle City Mall Shah Alam. The hose reel system are firefighting equipment for use as a first aid measure by building occupants. They usually located where users are least likely to be endangered by fire, for the example, staircase landing near the fire axis. These hose reels were located by all the dry risers at the stairwells. The fire extinguishers are commonly seen next to the hose reels.
Dry riser. In section 230, dry rising system shall be provided in every building in which the topmost floor is more than 18.3 meters but less than 30.5 meters above the fire appellant's access. Types of dry riser. Number 1. A dry riser is an empty vertical pipe complete with hydrant outlets at each floor. Number 2. Used by the fire brigade to pump water from outside the building to the fire hydrant. This rising main should normally installed within the ventilated lobby approach staircase if provided, or in a staircase if provided, or in other protected enclosure. Number 4. The inlet box should be easily accessible to the fire brigade. Second one, hydrants are installed on all floor above this floor and if required by the fire authority on the roof. Number 6. Dry risers are a form of internal hydrant for the firemen to use and are only required for buildings where the topmost floor is higher than 18.3 meters, less than 3 to 5 meters above the fire appellant's access level. Comparison between dry riser and wet riser in Malaysia. For dry riser, the system of dry riser in Malaysia is usually used in low-rise building. For wet riser, a wet riser system in Malaysia is commonly used in high-rise buildings. It is usually fully fitted with a steady supply system to distribute water to multiple building levels. Wet riser. Number 1, it's suitable in any building where hydrant installation are specified. Number 2, essential in building where floor level are higher than that served by a dry riser. Number 3, greater than 60 meter above fire service vehicle access level. Number 4, for high-rise building, maximum height permitted from low-level boosters set 60 meter. Above 60 meter, further boosting sets may required for each 60 meter of height.
Now I'm going to present about sprinkler system. The most widely used apparatus for fire protection in buildings is the automatic sprinkler system. Special treatment and use of additional extinguishing agent, though, may be required in many high-hazard industrial and storage occupancies. Sprinkler system consists of a network of piping installed at the ceiling or roof and supplied with water from a suitable source. In the piping at systematic intervals are placed heat-sensitive heads which discharge water when a predetermined temperature is reached at any heat. A stop or gate valve is installed in the main supply and drains are provided. An alarm can be connected to the system so that local and remote signals can be given when the water flows. Concurrently, water flow and alarm. Sprinkler system operation. Water passing through the valve flows up a vertical riser and then to the main distribution pipe at each ceiling level in the protected premises. Second, from the main distribution pipes, it passes to the distribution pipes and range pipes on which the sprinkler heads are mounted. And third, it is the discharge It is the discharge at those sprinklers which have been caused to operate by the hot gases rising from the fire. Lastly, the sprinkler therefore acts as a detector as well as a distributor, and its opening brings the sprinkler system into operation automatically. The first one, quartzoid bulb. The head incorporates a quartzoid filled with a highly expansive liquid having different expansion rates. You can see that there is a picture that shows the liquid and their rupturing temperature. The quartzoid bulb works when the liquid expands due to receiving heat from the fire. The pressure within the bulb increases rapidly to a point at which it shatters. The valve assembly falls away from the seat and allows water to flow from the deflector, thus causing a water spray over the fire. The second sprinkler system, side wall. It is designed for use at the side of rooms or corridors so that the water spray will be projected into the center of the room or corridor protected. The only difference between the usual type of sprinkler head and sidewall sprinkler head is the angle of the deflector. The third sprinkler system is the soldered strut. It consists of 3 bronze plates joined together by a special solder. The plates hold a glass valve that seals the water outlet. When the fusible solder melts due to receiving heat from the fire, the plates fall apart. The glass valve falls and allows water to flow to the deflector, thus causing a water spray over the fire. And the last sprinkler system will be DuraSpeed solder. It has much increased resistance to the harmful effect of atmospheric corrosion because the solder, which secures the key to the heat collector, is almost completely enclosed by the metal of these two parts. So you can see here, the sprinkler system is widely used in City Mall, Shah Alam. You can see every premises have their own sprinkler system. The last topic will be the automatic fire alarm. Its functions are to indicate the location of the outbreak of fire, to operate alarm bells, and to communicate with the local authority. There are 3 types of fire alarm. Firstly, smoke detector. Second, heat detector. And lastly, gas detector. Okay, the first fire alarm is smoke detector. It is designed to detect smoke whenever the fire starts. There are 2 types of smoke detectors, ionization and optical. City Mall use optical smoke detector. This can be seen along the ceiling of the shopping mall. Optical smoke detector detects smoke by using light beams. When smoke enters the detector, light beam is deflected upwards onto a photoelectric cell, then trigger the alarm. The second automatic fire alarm is heat detector. It is used where smoking is permitted. This will activate when the temperature reaches 47 degrees Celsius during the rapid rise of temperature. In City Mall, this device is programmed to initiate the sprinkler and the fire alarm system. And the last one would be gas detector. It is used to detect leaks of hazardous gases and to ensure the air in a particular environment is safe to breathe. Works by sensing different gases in the environment and producing a signal, usually an alarm, when the levels of a particular gas exceed a certain threshold.